Hello and welcome. In this video series of Azure Key Vault, today we are going to learn about various types of key formats supported by Azure Key Vault and difference among these keys. In the previous video, we have learned about how we can retrieve secrets from Azure Key Vault using code. I have also created a playlist on Azure Function Apps, Azure Logic Apps, and Azure Database for MySQL. If you are interested, I will provide link to those playlists in the description box. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. In the next video, we will learn about best practices for securing Azure Key Vault.
I wake up in the morning, need to learn. Got my coffee in hand, I'ma take my turn. Open up my laptop, it's time to code. Join me on the journey, let's hit the road. Subscribe to Code Light, come along for the ride. Yeah. Programming and science, we'll be side by side. Unlock your potential, let your knowledge grow. Code Light's the channel, is where you wanna go.
Azure Key Vault supports PKCS #12, also known as PFX, as the primary format for importing certificates. This format securely stores the certificate chain and private key in a single encrypted file. Although PEM is another common format, it needs to be converted to PFX for use in Azure Key Vault. RSA keys in Azure Key Vault. RSA keys in Azure Key Vault allow the public key download, which is useful for sharing the public part without exposing the private key. They come in various key sizes like 2048, 3072, and 4096 bits. Offering stronger security with large sizes, RSA is widely used for both encryption and digital signatures, based on the difficulty of factoring large integers. EC keys in Azure Key Vault. Elliptic curve or EC keys do not offer a direct public key download option in Azure Key Vault. However, the public key can still be derived from private keys. EC keys are defined by their code names such as P256, P384, and P521. They provide equivalent security with shorter key lengths, making them more efficient for encryption and digital signatures. Why EC keys lack public key download? The absence of direct public key download option for EC keys is due to the unique nature of elliptic curve cryptography. EC public keys are often generated and managed within specific cryptographic operations, and their compact and efficient nature leads to different management practices compared to RSA keys. To summarize, Azure Key Vault supports PFX certificate formats, with PEM needing conversion. RSA keys allow public key download and come in various sizes, providing strong security. EC keys don't have a direct public key download option, but offer efficient security and can be derived programmatically. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.